We're here over in the West End, rewiring this 4-bed property in this top flat. So it's quite dated wiring that was inside the property, especially with the lights. There's a wee thing that starts to happen with it starting to deteriorate, just an aged wiring essentially. So I think it was maybe over 30 years old. I would just say that the whole property needed done, just not the lights. It's very common in the West End of Glasgow in these style of properties because of the aged wiring that lies beneath inside the walls really. You don't really see what's going on throughout the time that you've been here. But sometimes with the flickering lights and heating up switches and sockets, these are wee telltale signs that you need to look out for. You may not always need a rewire. I think it's most important to get an EICR done to actually have a look inside the consumer unit. So like this property here, this had a dated dual RCD board, but actually what lied beneath there was the dated wiring, so what you couldn't see and was lying beneath the walls. So these are the sort of things that you can't really see. Looking at a socket and a switch, it all looks good and modern, but it's what's behind there that really matters. We also offer plaster repair works with every rewire. That's included within the quote, so you don't really need to rely on getting other trades in. We come already prepared with our in-house plasterers, and that will all be taken care of with the walls being made good, and you can just come in straight away and start the decorating process. So if Jamie comes out and he delivers a quote and we're booked in for Monday morning, we're going to be there for Monday morning, and there is an estimated time where the job's going to last. So this property here was booked in for 2.5 days and it was completed just under 2.5 days. If you're thinking about getting a rewire, have any inquiries regarding this, don't hesitate to get in touch at HomeRewire.com.